Are you making these silent letter mistakes? Most English learners do.
Today, I will show you 3 silent letter mistakes and teach you the correct pronunciation.
Mistake number 1. The word knife. Many people say the K, but the K is silent. The wrong way, K-N-ife, I-F-E, knife. Do not say the K. The correct way, N-I-F-E. The K is completely silent. Say it with me, cow. N-I-F-E. The wrong way, T-U-M-B. Do not say the B at the end. The correct way, T-H-U-M. Silent B. Say it with me, pa. T-H-U-M. Mistake number 3. The word ownest. Many people say the H at the start, but the H is silent. The correct way, O-N-E-S-T. The H is silent. Say it with me, pa. O-N-E-S-T. Honest.
Remember, knife, thumb, honest. No K, no B, no H. Great job! Subscribe for more English lessons. Hey!